In modern production, clarity, speed, and ease of use are essential. The SAP Production Operation Dashboard 2.0 serves as the central digital workspace on the shop floor. It consolidates all relevant information into a modern, user-centered interface and directly supports users in the production process. In many production environments, information is still scattered across various systems. This complicates workflows, consumes time, and reduces transparency on the shop floor. The SAP Production Operation Dashboard 2.0 creates a central working environment with quick access, clear structures, and flexible expansion options. The interface of the SAP Production Operation Dashboard 2.0 has been completely modernized. All central functions are already available in the standard and can be flexibly expanded. New content can be easily integrated via drag and drop without complex development efforts. The SAP Production Operation Dashboard 2.0 provides a transparent overview of manufacturing status, machine states, and feedback from production. Let's take a look at the whole thing together. We are on the product view of the SAP Production Operation Dashboard 2.0. The modernized design ensures a clear structure and quick orientation in daily work. All relevant information such as work processes, work instructions, and feedback is readily available. The Production Operation Dashboard Work Center has also been revised and supports the user through the direct display of relevant information and quick SFC selection. One of the most important features of the Production Operation Dashboard 2.0 is the flexible expandability of the interface. A typical use case on the shop floor is the question, who is currently working at this workstation? We want to integrate this information directly into the interface. To do this, we first expand the interface. We add a new text field via drag and drop and place it in the desired position. Next, we add a production process, set the appropriate variables, and link the content of the text field with the corresponding variable. Done. Now the currently logged-in user is displayed directly in the Work Center. We can easily copy this field and, for example, paste it into the product view. This creates a concrete added value for ongoing operations in just a few steps without any development effort. In the next step, we will expand the Production Operation Dashboard with a new dialog. The goal is to provide additional features directly in the work context. A typical need is the integration of existing systems. Therefore, we are adding an iframe plugin and defining the desired target system. This allows external applications to be displayed directly in the Production Operation Dashboard, without media breaks and without system changes. Another important use case is the recording of downtimes. We are therefore adding a downtime justification plugin. This allows interruptions in the production process to be documented and evaluated in a structured manner. The SAP Production Operation Dashboard 2.0 supports not only production processes, but also the daily work of employees. And sometimes the question arises, what is actually available in the cafeteria today? For this, we are adding an HTML element. In this element, we will incorporate the current menu of the cafeteria. This means that even organizational information is directly available in the familiar work environment, without additional systems or notices. A small example that very well demonstrates the flexibility of the Production Operation Dashboard 2.0. Next, we will integrate a feature for direct help requests. We will add a button through which users can directly request support from the Production Operation Dashboard. A button can be assigned various actions. We configure the action Raise Alert and define a supervisor request. This allows the responsible supervisor to be informed directly. This leads to quick response times and clearly defined escalation paths on the shop floor. Finally, we implement a custom element, a countdown timer. This shows the user the remaining time until the next break at any time. We create some space for this, select the plugin, add it via drag and drop, and position it within the interface. Done. It quickly becomes apparent how flexible the SAP Production Operation Dashboard 2.0 is structured. In just a few steps, a customized working environment for the shop floor is created. The SAP Production Operation Dashboard 2.0 brings structure, transparency, and flexibility to production. It improves information availability and directly supports users in their daily work. Thus, the SAP Production Operation Dashboard 2.0 becomes a modern digital workplace on the shop floor, a system that adapts to production, not the other way around. If you would like to learn more, please feel free to contact us.